Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and I'm on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, ever since we had that big engulfing move to the downside, I've been recommending shorts. Now that it's continuing to push down and it's very impulsive, I would expect it to take out this low. I would actually expect it to even go down and take out these lows because there's gotta be a ton of liquidity sitting down there. The Aussie dollar has been a very, very, very rangy market on the daily time frame. So it seems like it would like to grab all this liquidity before it does make a big move to the upside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be recommending shorts. And as usual, I wouldn't be trying to go short at the bottom of a move like this. I would have to see a break of shorts to the upside on the 1 hour time frame. Then I would have to throw my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. Then I would have to wait for a three-way pullback in order to go short again. So for me personally, the only strategy right now on the Aussie dollar is to either already be short looking for an exit, or it's to be patiently waiting for a pullback to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.